Well, I just saw a boatload of tourists leave, and from that veranda, and I'm sure hoping that's not my fucking boat. That's just left. That would not be cool. What's ending up happening here is there's an adventure within an adventure going on. Hola. ¿El bote para Belize a dónde?
Allá, mi amor.
Allá, gracias. Asustan, gracias. Okay, it appears my boat is still here, so I'm heading to the wharf, and this is Livingston Main Street, and going to catch a ferry. Hola. I'm buying my frijolito and fried jackets for the ride. Well, there's a little hustle and bustle here at the wharf going on this morning, and I guess there's boats heading off all over, and there's some other tourists there, so, and I've been told I hadn't missed my boat yet, although I don't see it anywhere, but it's a little adventure, and who am I to be? My little friend's Crappie, who I just gave my breakfast to, and Livingston being, you know, a big Garifuna town, these are Garifuna people who are heading to work and going to their jobs or whatever it is that they're doing. Okay, I almost missed my boat from not paying attention. Arriving in PG. Arrive in PG, just disembarking here at with the immigration officials.
Welcome aboard your Gears flight going to Gangriga, then Belize flight to Gangriga, approximately 15 approach in 25 minutes. Just a reminder, please fasten your seatbelts. Cabin hands forward, just the exit, to the back, from the cabin, position right, perfect guards out, get it, back. Thank you, Mike. Starting to flight, thank you for choosing the travel.